That's right, buddy. Totally worth it, huh? Come here. Yeah? Come on. that was the time you saved yourself.
Good job!
Come on. Come on, let's go play with some toys. Let's go play with some toys. Yeah, let's just do it. Like it's a normal thing, like we've been doing all fucking, I don't know, past couple months. Like you totally have physically been able to, but mentally, today's the day. You coming in for a hug? Coming in for a hug? Yeah, coming in for a hug. Oh, and he's going through, because he's getting over it. Yeah, we're just standing, and we're walking. And, yeah. Hi. I don't think it was a big deal. I think I'm going to be doing this for the next, I don't know, 90 years or so. Glad I took my time. F you guys. You gotta go hug that mama?
Hi!
Eventually.
Too much?
I don't know. I'm starting to feel it.
Alright, so Daddy, Aunt Alyssa, Grandpa, Grandma, Aunt Jen.
Mommy got all the good video.